guys, welcome back to The Zone. Today we got something special from Adidas. Let's get down into unboxing. Wow, this looks amazing. Here we have the shoe in its full glory. So before I go ahead with the introduction of the shoe, actually this shoe comes under the City Pack Collection 2.0. It was released in 2019, I guess, and I know it is overdue. So in that City Pack collection, we got 3 colorways, one for Seoul, one for Tokyo, and one for Shanghai. This is obviously the Seoul City Pack flag consists of few colors like black, blue, and red, white obviously. So it has got all the colors of the flag. So getting into the specification of the shoe, and when we look closer, we could see the upper. Upper is made out of Primeknit 2.0 and it has got really good texture all around. The letters are debossed, they just lift up from the shoe itself, and we got something letters written here. It's called brand with 3 stripes. So this word brand with 3 stripes are written in different languages. I think one is in German and then one is in Spanish and I think another is Korean maybe. So it's written in 3 different languages. Brand with 3 stripes, written in 3 different languages. That's a cool touch, I guess. As we go into more detail, we got this colorway going on. Here we have on the lateral side, we have the black. Then as we go towards the medial, we are greeted with this light blue, and then on the inner part we have darker shade of blue, and the upper is pretty strong and breathable as you normally expect with any Ultra Boost. At the toe end we got this Adidas emblem embossed again. As we go further up, we have this tongue which has got this Adidas logo written, and it's in red in color, again representing the red in the color of Seoul's flag. And going back to the mid cage is made of this plastic kind of silicone vibe it has to it, and again it has the Adidas logo, the 3 stripes in black. And the fun part is when you go to the medial side, you can see the same in white. So that was a neat touch by Adidas, and this mid cage really helps you to hold the foot in place while you are running, jumping around, going onto the dance floor and all those stuff. So it will really help your foot to be stabilized in, and this mid cage actually gets absorbed into the heel counter and the midsole. Heel counter, it's also made out of rubber. It's got the silicone rubbery vibe to it. It's got Ultra Boost written. It's also debossed, and heel cup gives real good support and doesn't let your heel come out of the shoe, which normally happens if you don't have a good heel support. And coming back to the pull tab, the pull tab is also pretty cool. It's also written the brand with 3 stripes in red, again signifying the color of Korea's flag again, and it's a neat little touch. Then going back to the insole, we got Boost written inside, and we got this blue insole all over. And coming back to the medial side, we got this midfoot cage again in white. On the lateral side it was in black, but here in the medial side it's in white. It's a neat little touch out here. And then the laces are in black in color, and at the tip of the laces you can see it is red again. So that's also another good touch. And you got this, the tip, you got red, you got the tongue, the logo in red, you got the Boost in red, and you got the brand with 3 stripes in red. So these are some neat little touches all around. Then coming to the most important part, the midsole. Yes, it is Ultra Boost, and obviously Ultra Boost is known for its boost material. The midsole is amazing. It's just like floating in the clouds. It feels like that, and it's amazing on the foot if you're going for a casual walk, if you're going for jogging, running, or if you're going for any purpose, walking in the mall, anything. This feels amazing in the. And here I got it in black, since I normally soil my shoe very badly, so I think this color will help over time, and this black will really help to repel that dirty look that you normally get with Boost white soles. And coming on to the outsole, it is made out of Continental rubber, and it is this light bluish grayish color all around, and you got these perforations where you can see the exposed Boost material, and you get this indentation and the round knobs kind of stuff that will help you to grip onto the surface. And at the center we have the torsion system. It holds the whole system in place, and it gives the support to the whole midsole and the outsole as such. The thing about Boost is that yes, it does bottom out, but doesn't bottom out that fast, so you can use it for a fairly long time until unless you do some 4K walking or 4K running every day. So laterally you can see again this is black in color. The midfoot cage is black in color in this, and it kind of complements the black on both the sides, and the middle side is white. And again we can see the tongue of the right shoe. We have this sole written ACO, again 3 words, 3 stripes, 3 different languages, the brand with 3. So it makes a whole lot of sense. A lot of thought has been put into it to make this shoe. Really nice to see the company is putting so much effort and thought into these small details, which makes up for the whole experience as such. So again, in the insole we could see on the left foot it is blue and red, but here it is red and blue. It's just the opposite. Again, these kind of small details are the ones that makes sneakerheads like us go crazy over all these small details. I know the hype was not much in this shoe as such, but then I love these details. I love these small details that makes this shoe different from other normal shoes. And it's a really good pair of shoes. Both these shoes are really good pair of shoes if you're planning to pick up one for yourself or want to give it to someone. Maybe you will not get in this colorway, maybe you'll get something different, but then I am sure if you're looking for a really wonderful shoe that will last for some time and will give you real good pleasure while walking, you should definitely get yourself an Ultra Boost for yourself. I hope you like this review. If you like it and if you think this was useful for you, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In this channel we talk all about Apple and sneakers and pop culture stuffs. So if you are into all those things, please do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.